The Ramadan fasting month is a month when sweets and snacks are in high demand to break a day of fasting. But for the Mandailing people in North Sumatra, breaking the fast wouldn't be complete without eating a bitter roasted liana that is locally known as pakat.
Pakat, or young Rattan Liana, is a trademark Ramadan fare popular as an appetizer during the fasting month. Roasted liana vendors usually mushroom along the main thoroughfares in Medan, the capital of North Sumatra. The young Rattan Liana are just roasted over a fire, and after they're done, it's skinned and the steaming heart of the liana is eaten. Although very thin, the bitter core of the liana is in high demand in Medan for people breaking their fast before a more substantial meal later. The pakat is often used in local cuisine. It's also believed that pakat possesses healing properties, such as curing ulcers, hypertension, and reducing blood cholesterol.
Katanya untuk kolesterol, menurunkan kadar gula, terus dengan darah tinggi, dan menambah nafsu makan. Harganya Rp10.000.
Kalau rasanya, kalau bagi yang nggak suka mungkin yang pahit ya. Kalau saya sih suka yang malah pahit. Karena kita tambahin bumbu, nanti kita buat bumbu anyang, kadang kita masukkan toco, kita masak toco, gitu kan.
Some of the sellers also provide anyang, a sauce from coconut milk and fried grated coconut, to eat along with the pakat. The pakat can also be eaten cooked with spices and other vegetables, including in curries. Sometimes the pakat, which sell for around 10,000 rupiah for some 50 centimeter long sticks, are eaten with a sour fermented bean curd known as tauco.